What is up, guys? Am here with Learn Mobile Paint and Body, and in today's video I'm going to show y'all how to find out if there is a market for mobile paint and body repair in your city. So stick around. Okay, guys, so I get asked a lot, um hey, how do I know, there's a market for this? How do I know that there's people looking for what I do? And I want to show y'all on the computer real quick how you're able to do that, whether you live in Florida, Ohio, Texas, California, New York, Australia, wherever you're at, right? Now, you do have to have a little bit of familiarity with Google search. I mean, if you could type in a search, and I'm gonna show y'all some other tools that you can download for free from the Google toolbar, that will also help you find out what I'm talking about. So I'm going to show y'all real quick on my computer. So if you look at the screen, let's switch real quick. Okay. Now I'm going to open up Google and I'm going to show y'all basically, let's just start from a clean slate. Google.com. Okay. Um, so you're in the mobile paint and body business, right? So if somebody, let's just say I'm a customer, I drive a 2019 Porsche Cayenne, and I backed up into a post in a garage and I messed up my bumper. I want to do a little bit of research. Something I might type in as a client looking for bumper repair would probably just be bumper repair near me. Now, whatever city you're in, your computer or your smartphone is going to pull the geolocation off the IP address, right? So it's a bunch of nerd talk, what I'm basically telling y'all. But these are facts, guys. So, like, let's say you're in Florida and you do bumper repair near me, computer already knows where your location is. So for, my company, we're actually, this little card here shows the average position that we're in for this exact term, bumper repair near me. We get about 130 impressions. So it's just that means how many times they show our website to clients. And position is, this is probably like, let me show you. This is position number 1. This is position number 2. So if there's about 10 average per page, we're probably on page 6 or 7, give or take. But this shows you basically your competition. Or if you're starting off, it tells you, um, what people are searching for. I want you to look at two very distinct locations on this page. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more just to show y'all. Now, if you look right in here, underneath here, this is a SEO Quake. This is a little tool that I installed, a toolbar tool that installs on Google Chrome. It's free. And what it does is it tells you the actual search volume for this keyword in your city. So on average, there's about 1,900 people searching for this term. And to me, that sounds like a whole lot of ka-ching, ka-ching, right? I mean, it's not all just for me, but there is a lot of competition out there that are targeting these customers, bumper repair near me. And if you do your SEO, your search engine optimization on your website, it's pretty darn good. You can get some of that traffic, right? So, um, these companies are actually ranking for these keywords, and that's how you want to know if there's a market for you. Let's do something different, totally different, guys. Let's just say you want to do touch up, like a regular just touch up on a rock chip. Touch up repair near me. Okay, well, see, it has a search volume of 0. Let's just do touch up paint near me. Well, there's about 110, but see, now you don't know if that's a house touch up, house paint touch up, or whatever, right? Touch up paint, AutoZone. Well, that's for cars. Penske collision. Oh, that's for cars. Auto body. That's for cars. Touch up paint. O'Reilly's. That's for cars. Mako. That's for cars. Um. So there's 110. So now this tells me here that there is a market, right? There's a market for all these keywords. Now, this is the other tool I want to show y'all. This is by Keywords Everywhere. And this will give you the related keywords to this one. So whatever you type in here, it's going to give you the actual search volume for keywords related to this. So I can look at this right here, touch up paint for car. In my city, there's 3,900 people looking for this. They want to touch up their cars. So guys, this is a very huge market. Big market. And there's money to be made. So whatever city you're in, you want to put in these keywords like touch up paint near me. You can also do side view mirror replacement. Okay. A lot of people hit their mirrors, at the bank, going through McDonald's, their garages, and just rip them right off. And side view mirrors are so easy to replace and so cheap to find. So here, there's 1,600 searches a month in Houston, Texas, for side mirror replacements. Okay. Now this, you see this right here? This is actual YouTube videos on how to do it. But if you're a business that you provide that service, people might call you and be like, "Hey, just how much you charge to come replace it?" All it is a couple of 10mm screws, 3 of them, disconnect the wire, run it through the panel, put the door panel back in interior door panel back on, and good as new. So these are the search volume, 1,900 replacement cost. Now this is somebody probably doing a price comparison, 480. Okay. Mirror replacement near me, 880 people per month. If you add this to this, I mean that's over 2,000. I mean that's pretty much like a lot of people, you know. So this is how you can find out if there's a market. Mirror replacement, touch up, bumper repair. Now, just doing bumper repair, it might give me a few products. You want to be very specific. If I had a 2020 Porsche Cayenne and I scraped my bumper, what would I type? Bumper scratch removal. The intention behind this is to learn how to remove a scratch, right? Bumper scratch removal. Do repair might also be product. Okay. But type in bumper repair service. That means I want somebody to come out and repair and provide a service for me. Okay. So all these companies are providing services. Okay. Now let's look how much search volume is there. 40, 40 a month. But look at the related keywords. There's 2,400 people that want to know what it costs. If I have a website and I put a blog on there, bumper repair costs, that could potentially bring in some clients. People are also typing in bumper repair shops near me, 480. So these numbers here, guys, are telling me there is a big market for bumper repair. There is a big market for touch up. There is a big market for side view mirror replacements. And you tie all that into your services for your company in whatever city you're in, being mobile, that can bring in some money. Now, let's do that. Let's type in mobile bumper repair service. Let's see how much pops up. There's about 10 a month. Okay, let's see what else. Bumper repair, mobile bumper repair. Let's just take out the service. Mobile bumper repair. Okay. Well, there's a few videos. Okay, let's look at the search volume. Okay, for mobile bumper repair in Houston, Texas, there is 880 people a month looking for this service, mobile bumper repair. And that's a pretty big number. I mean, there's only 20 realistically, there's only 20 working days in a month, right? I mean, like let's just say you're the only company in town to do all the work. Like let's just say you're in the middle of Nowhereville in the middle of the USA and there's, a gazillion car dealerships and busy city. There's 880 people looking for the mobile bumper repair service and you work 20 days in a month, you would have to knock out and fix 44 bumpers per day to basically meet the demand. But that's not the case. That's just a hypothetical kind of way of putting it, right? Um, but if you look at the side over here too, guys, right? Gives you a lot of information. Now, I will put the links in the description of how to get these tools installed on your Google Chrome browser. I believe you just go up to more tools, extensions. Yeah. So this is what you do. You go to the extensions and you could type in keywords everywhere. There you go. And it's going to have a little button that says install. And then the other one is called SEO Quake. Oh, hold on. Let me see. SEO. Yeah, there he is. This one right here. This is SQ, but it's SEO Quake. You install that. So, and what you get is this. This is the SEO Quake. It gives you the volume right after you type in the word. See, pops it up right there, 110. And then the other tool, the other extension, which was keywords everywhere. This one, it's got like little K, which is right in there. I'm sorry, guys. I think I've been showing y'all the zoom out version. Okay, this is the keywords everywhere, right? And then the other one was SEO Quake. This is the one you want to install. And when you install it, this is what it looks like. It's going to add the keywords everywhere on the right side, and it's going to add the SEO Quake right underneath the search bar. And you can do your research. So I hope this helped, guys. I enjoy doing these videos to help y'all out. Sorry about the mic. I had to reposition it because I want to have good audio quality so that y'all can hear me pretty good when I make these videos, and I keep forgetting and all that. But um, if you guys have any other questions about how to find out if there's a market in your city for mobile paint and body repair, leave a comment below. Please click and subscribe. And I will post more content for you guys, whether you're a body man, a painter, a detailer, whatever it is that has to do in the car industry. You're thinking about starting your own mobile business to service the car industry. I'm trying to help you guys out. So please feel free to leave any comments or criticism. I take criticism too. So that, hey, I'm all ears. But thanks a lot for watching this video. Please click like and subscribe, and I'll see you around next time. So adios.